Hi everyone, I am Nisha and today I am going to teach you the tutorial of Laila Mein Laila. In this choreography, I am taking the support of my student, my friend Manisha. She will be helping us throughout this video. So the first step is, we will take two pops starting from the left. So we will go like 1 and 2. After this, we are going to use our neck from right to left. So the first step will go like right and left. While doing neck, we will also use our leg. So our legs will go right and left. This whole step we will repeat 2 times. So the full step will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. After this, we are going to go down and then again we will come up. While going down, we will use our hand as trumpet. So we will go 1, 2. From here, what we will do, we will use our right hand to come back and then left hand will come at the back. After here, we will go down and we will use our waist from left to right. Okay. So, while going down, what we are doing, we are just making U from our waist. So, we will go U on the left and U on the right. Starting from the start of the step, means first step, the whole sequence will go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And from here what we will do, we will take a body wave and we will join our leg. Our right leg will come towards the left. From here we will put our right hand up and left hand slightly below it. From here, we will twist our right leg. Combining the step, we will go 1, 2, 3, same with the left leg, 4 and we will put a clap. While doing clap, what we will do, we will just open our right leg. So it will go like 1 and 2. From here, we will open our hands from our chest. It will go 1 and clap. With this, we are going to take a hip circle. Okay? So it will go 1 and 2. We are going to open our hand. We will open first right, then left. So from here it will go 1 and 2. Now from here what we will do, we will just make a circle. It should be a inner circle. Your hand should come near to your body and up. So it will go circle from the inner body and up. While straightening your hand, your right leg will go up. Again, from here, we'll go 1 and 2 and circle and straight and left circle straight. Combining the whole sequence from the starting, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give a bang on table from the right hand, then on from the left hand. After this, what we will do, we will just put our right leg back and we will make a cross in the front. Then straight, shoulder on the right, shoulder on the left, wave and position. From here, we are going to start the verse Laila Mein Laila. For that, what we will do, we end it over here. From here, we will put our left leg down, right leg close, then left leg close. While doing this, we will just hit our first right side and then left side. So steps will go like 1 and 2. Now open your left leg, join your right leg. Again, from here we'll go 1 and 2 and 3. Now what hands will do? Hand will go up from your head, joint, open. From here take 2 waves. 1, 2. From here go back with your right leg going back, head towards the side and center. So it will go 1 and 2 From here, just take a waist roll, a hip roll, and move your hands. So it will go 1, 2, pose down, pose up. Go out, go out. While doing this, you just have to join your hand and you have to put your right leg back, then left leg back. So we'll go 1 and 2. From here, we'll just kiss our forefinger, show it in the front, and 2 hip rolls, 2 hip rolls. Same you have to go down while taking hip rolls. So it will go 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Taking from the starting, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we'll kick from our left leg, keep it in front and put it down. So from here we'll go kick, front, down, keep your right hand on your head and use your pelvis. So it will go out, out, right out, left out. So the full step will go 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you just have to cross your leg left and open. With this you are going to take shimmy from your shoulders. What you have to do while taking the shimmy, you just have to move your shoulders front and back, front and back, front and back, front and back. So the step will go 1, 2. From here we'll put a circle over our head and down. Again we'll put a circle on our head and down. From here we'll use shimmy from our hands and we will do just 1, 2, 3, 4. Now open your hands while doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then same 1, 2. This time you are taking cross from your right leg. So it will go right cross and open. After coming from shimmy, cross and open, we'll bend down and now our right leg will twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way our hand will go right down, up, right down, up. From here we will take a wave and come up. Now just roll your shoulders, roll your shoulder. From here 1, 2. You just have to cross your hand in front of your pelvis. We'll go 1, 2. Again you from your waist. 3, 4. Keep your right leg back, pose, and that's it. Done. So we are done with our choreography. Starting from where we have started, like Lela Melela. So starting from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bend and pose. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.